In this video, I will show you how to add products on Ecwid. So to do this, go and open up Ecwid, and from your dashboard right here, go and click on Catalog and go to Products. Now in the top left, click on Add New Product. And now here you want to enter all of the info of your product. So you can upload your images right here. For example, I'll just take one of my thumbnails, and then that will show up on your website as the product image. Now you want to go and add a couple of them if you want more. Then here just set the price for your product, for example, 50 euros. Then under manage pricing options, if you have one of the more premium plans, you can set a compare to price. You can do bulk discount pricing, and you can enable pay what you want pricing. Now from here, go and enter the name of your product, choose a stock keeping unit. If it requires shipping, you can enter the weight of the product right here in kilograms. So if it's 400 grams, enter 0.4. Then here enter the description of the product, make it look nice with some bullet points and stuff like that. Then here in the stock, you can go and choose how much stock you have. So it is set to infinite right now, but if you want to do the stock control, you will need to have one of the premium plans. So you will see in Venture, you will get inventory tracking and a bunch more helpful features. So I would recommend upgrading if you want to have the stock keeping. Then here enter attributes that you want. Then here in the attributes section, you can add the brand and UPC. Then in options, you can add options to the product, so different sizes and colors and stuff like that. Then you can choose the customer input field, so what does your customer need to enter. If it's a digital product, then you can upload the files to the product right here. Here you can set up shipping and pickups. So again, you need to enter the weight and dimensions right here. And then for the shipping rates, you can specify how you want to do it. So you can also do free shipping, and you can set up the product preparation time. Then here you can set up taxes, you can do your SEO, you can choose related products if you already have some, and you can add a buy now button onto any website for this product. So just enter all of that info, and once that's done, you will have added this product to your store, and you can then see it right here, and it should be enabled. So now you know how to add products on Ecwid. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.